Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, March 3rd. What do we got going on today? A lot of nothing. A lot of nothing important. Hopefully, we don't get a tweet. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Welcome back to Trading with David 305. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for waking up. Let's see. We got tomorrow some red folders, but today not much. But from what I was looking at, and I made these numbers on the side bigger for you guys so you can see it better, a little bit bigger. And when I take a trade, you guys will see the P&L just a little better. I'll take on the sim, I'm just gonna do you can see I put this green for you guys, and I also put this red so you can see when I take a short or a buy a little better there. I'm gonna put this on the sim account. This is not a real trade. I'm just going to show you.
Order filled.
The size, you can see it a little bit better on your screen now. I made it bolder, a little bit bigger. I made the stop loss so you could see, and the take profit so you could see it. If I move it, you see it changes obviously. So that's the new target, $169. So you guys could see that. So you guys could see the difference now. With the screen a little bit better, you can see the numbers on the side a little bit bigger. Just a little easier for you guys to see. See, this is how it was before. It's a little smaller, a little harder to see. You might have to squint your eyes. Now you don't have to squint your eyes that much. I've been looking at the videos and I noticed it was a little hard to see sometimes. So, small improvements so you guys can see this isn't a real trade, guys. This is just to show you guys the P&L. If you can see it, it's a lot bigger now. You could see the buy, the numbers just look a lot better. You can see everything better. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna close that out.
Order filled.
Yesterday I did take a trade on one of my funded accounts after the live stream and made $250. If you were on my Instagram, Trading with David 305, I kind of showed or explained that I took a trade after the live stream and got a total of 720. This was just playing around yesterday on the sim account. But yeah, that's the total that we're at currently. I made this one on the live, so you guys saw that happen live. And today, most likely, I'm only going to be doing the eval. ATR is currently at 37, guys, so it's pretty volatile. As you can see here, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Been kind of rangy, to be honest. Let's see if it goes lower or what it really wants to do. I'm gonna fix these lines right here. This is the London low. Yeah, 24,368.75. All right, I think that's London high right there, 24,695. Thank you guys for tuning in again and watching me trade the NASDAQ Futures. No, it's not a sale. We're not taking no sale, man. I was just showing I was just showing the simulator because I changed, as you can see, I made the numbers bigger, guys. So you can see the numbers a little bit better on your screen. And I was just showing you guys with the sell or the buy on the sim account. You can see the P&L better. It's bolder. You can see the stop loss, how much I'm risking a little bit better, okay? That's all. I didn't take a real trade. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Appreciate the hearts. Oh, man. All right. Let's see. I'm going to make this. All right. So looks like I marked this, right? 369? Yeah, 369. That's about it. Yeah, clear dump. It did pump yesterday. This was the pump from yesterday, that massive green candle. And I took this long here. Obviously made money. It was very choppy. It was going up and down a lot. But it ended up going, fixing the weekly opening gap. Filled that. Obviously hit this zone here of interest and completely rejected straight off here, straight back down. Hit the swing low. Wow. It's having like a little bounce. Let's see if it has a continuation down now. I don't know. But pretty much all of Asia was a dump, I think. Yeah. It just went down. That's Asia right here. This is blue is New York. This was the open from yesterday. Then we marked the orb. And a dump straight down, then more and a little bounce for London. But yeah, crazy. See what areas, I mean, I could take this off to not confuse anybody. I don't know what that is. And this one here. Was that the Asia high right there? Hold up, let me zoom in. Like way zoomed out. All right. No, sorry. Asia high. And there's an imbalance right there too. That was Asia high right there. And then the previous day high is right there. So Asia high looks like 25,061. And make sure that you guys know that there's like a 20-second, 25-second, depends on your internet, but there's about a 20-second delay from what you see me do here to when you see it, okay? You could kind of calculate that by looking at the clock here. This is 9:10 Eastern time. So whatever it's, while you look at your clock, you can see the time difference. And you could be like, okay, there's this much of a delay. You know what I mean? So yeah. All right. Yeah, we're in a clear downtrend. It hit the swing low, and it obviously popped up. We're gonna have to wait and see what the market really wants to do today. Like always, we don't predict. What did everybody think yesterday? It was gonna go down, right? Ha! Reversed. It went up. I tell you guys, if the masses think it's gonna go in a certain direction, it goes the opposite of whatever the masses think. 'Cause the masses don't know shit. They don't know shit. They go off straight CNN. All these they don't know shit. It's all hype and agendas. Well, you follow the money. The money tells you what's real. The money, you always follow the money. The money always tells you the truth. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you hit that like button if you guys tune in. Appreciate it. Welcome back. Welcome back. So what are we going to be doing today? ATR is 36. What is my current? I have a nice little $400 buffer, but I do need to make a little more, man. But the ATR is so damn high. It's tricky. It's tricky. It's very damn tricky. Private credit concerns. Okay. Let's see. I'm just watching CNBC here, see what they're talking about. Private credit concerns. Blackstone fund hit with redemptions. Okay. Whatever that means. Who cares about that? Let's see. You guys ready? Oh, shit. Yeah, they're not talking about the war anymore. That was quick. Let's see. Let me hit. Yeah, it looks slightly better, I would say. It looks slightly. I'm looking at how the screen looks on your screen. So you can see the numbers a little better. At least price, price and the levels and things like that. And then when you see I take a trade, you could also see the pivot points. They're a lot bigger now. You can see them better. Support level 1, support level 2. See that a little bit better. Okay. Let's look for that banger. Man, Tuesday, people are only hyped on Monday. They went to see the live stream. Now it's Tuesday. They're like, no more hype. People wanted to see what happened in the market because of the war or the strikes. Tuesday, they're like, meh, I don't care anymore. So crazy. People got ADHD. Short attention spans, man. Short attention spans. It's so easy to win in this society, man. All you gotta do is focus and do one thing better, just consistently. You beat most people at most everything, because nobody could stay consistent and disciplined on something. So I think I'm gonna do I don't know, man. I want to do 10. I want to do at least 10. But the thing is, if ATR jumps to 50 again, I have to move the stop loss to at least 100 points. If it stays under 50 and I keep it at 50 points, it could be a hit or miss. Could be a hit or miss. Anyways, you guys know the drill. If you hear this sound,
Green Giant,
obviously we're going up. And if you hear this sound,
tactical nuke incoming!
it's obviously going down. Yeah, that's obviously a red candle that's coming or happening. So those are the two little sound effects you guys have probably heard before. You probably hear that if I'm in the middle of a trade. And if I get killed, you'll hear got me. It got me. But let's hope that doesn't happen, right? Market opens in about 13 minutes. Let me put up ES on my other screen here. Be ready for that. We're currently under most of the EMAs, so we are in a bearish trend currently. I mean, to go long here, we're gonna have to get a really, really big pump, man, and get above VWAP. To be honest, we're gonna have to get up here. I don't know. A lot of once the supports get broken down, they become resistance, guys. So these pivots that you see here, it's now not a support but a roof, and it slows down anything from going up. It has to really bring a lot of momentum and speed to break through that. So we're going to stay patient. We're going to stay disciplined. We're not going to take any crazy trades. You know, it's always a little bit risk on the table, you know, but just manage what you can control. What can you control, guys? How much risk and what trade you take. That's it. You cannot control which direction the market's going to go in. You can't control anything else. So if you get stopped out, understand that it doesn't always work out, and you're put only what you're willing to lose. Don't think about how much you want to win. That should be the second thought. The first thought is, how much am I willing to lose that I'll be okay with, that I can take another trade? And then how many trades are you going to take before you stop? You know what I mean? You got to set all these things in your head before you start trading. Because if not, then you just go on a revenge trade and tilt, and yeah, you just blow up all your accounts. You need to have some self-control. If you don't, then you're cooked. Let's see. Hopefully it's a one and done trade today, nothing too choppy. I do gotta get out of here by 10:30, guys. By 10:30 I gotta get out of here. I got some things to do this week. We still got time. Still got a little time. All right. Got about 9 minutes left. New York Stock Exchange opening soon. Opening soon. You guys ready? Make a little money, hopefully. Ay, ay, ay. You guys think it's gonna rip up or it's gonna dump today? Put it in the chat. What do you think is gonna happen? We're gonna get a
Green Giant.
or is it gonna
Tactical nuke incoming!
what do you guys think? Up or down? Or sideways? Yeah, sideways would be, I guess. I don't know. Just like freaking loading, not moving anywhere, going sideways. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. So I'm looking at the CNBC futures tumble. Oil extends rally. Mideast conflict widens as Iran war enters day 4. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. Got about 5 more minutes till the market opens, guys. They're talking about Pinterest? Who the hell cares? All right, got about 4 minutes. 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes left. I know, very unexciting. But volatility is it's higher than yesterday. Believe it or not, it's at 38. Yesterday was like at 30 before the market opens, and then obviously with the first candle, It jumped to like 46 or 47, something like that. I think 49. I don't remember. It was insane. It jumped from like 30 to 40, so almost 50. Make sure that you guys hit the like button. I appreciate it if you haven't already. Let's look for a quick banger. It looks like it's not much of us watching, so I guess we are the chosen few that are gonna find this beautiful move, and then everybody's be like, damn, I should have seen the stream. I keep telling y'all, keep slipping. It keeps slipping. What's up? Good morning, Sound Engineer. Good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, Danny. As you can see, I made these a little bit bigger. You guys can see it just a little better. You don't have to squint your eyes that much. This is the original size. This is the new size, so you can see it better. You'll see when I take a trade, you'll see the P&L a little better. You'll see the stop number, and remember the green is the TP and the red is the stop loss. I made this green here. I made this red so you guys could see which side I'm going on here. I usually go straight into the market. I don't do the ask or the bid to try to get a better price, because sometimes you might not enter the trade if you go with one of those two. So since it's trying to find you the best price, you end up not getting in the trade because it moves too fast, you know? So you just go straight into the market. Sometimes you don't get a great fill, you know, but it is what it is. Yesterday, actually, I had a really bad fill. It filled me like almost at the top of the tick, at the top of the wick. I'm sorry, not at the close of the candle. So, but I still ended up green. So that's part of the risk. ATR is at 38, guys. So just make sure you risk accordingly today. I'm just doing the eval today, and if ATR jumps over 50, I will move my stop loss to at least 100 points. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Hopefully this thing doesn't chop today. Let's hope. There's no news, so I don't know if that's good or bad right now, but we're gonna find out. I don't know. I might do 5 micros or 10, depending on how strong ATR is by the time the orb is set. So we'll see. I really want to make at least 1,000. But I mean, if I end up at 500, I won't be mad. But if I lose 1,000, that's fine too, because that's what I'm willing to lose, you know? That's what I'm willing to lose. All right, here we go. 10 seconds. And market is open. Let's go. What's the DJ sound? That's the DJ sound. Market's open. Appreciate it, Buckaroo. Yeah, press the like button, guys. Help me. It helps me grow the channel. It doesn't pay me, guys. It just helps grow the channel and hopefully get me more subscribers. The goal is, for now, at least this year, I want to get to at least let's shoot for 1,000 subscribers. I know we're far away, but we'll get there. Just got to keep coming live, showing you guys, giving you guys the sauce. This thing's ripping up again like yesterday? No way. We got VWAP right here. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP. Let me make this a little bigger for you guys. Wow, tap VWAP completely pumped, completely went down. Let's see here. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Stay patient. Don't chase. Do not. Ah, shit. I moved this. There we go. Whatever. Let's see. Hit VWAP. Hit the swing high. And got completely pulled down. We got super trend here. Let's see if it breaks the super trend and flips it to go up. Super trend's all the way up here on the 1 hour. Let me look at ES. Looks like ES is pumping too, but VWAP is a little higher. Hasn't touched VWAP yet on ES. VWAP is higher up. If you guys have ES on your screen, you'll be able to see ES. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna switch this song up just a little bit. Just a slight change. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Oh my gosh. Complete rejection off VWAP there. Literally tapped it here on the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, it literally went right here, tapped kind of VWAP. And completely got pushed down, hit the support. So once support gets ripped down through, it turns into resistance. So technically has a resistance here and a VWAP here. This overall trend is bearish. This could just be a slight pullback and continuation to the downside. But we're gonna have to stay patient, guys, and see see what it does. Let's see what it does. All right, first 5 minutes has been formed in 30 seconds. Stocks tumble. Yeah, there is kind of a tumble. It's a little bit of a tumble here. Obviously, yesterday we took a long right here. This is a hammer right into EMA 50, guys. Yesterday we took a long right here. Obviously, it was a lot of chop, but it ended up going up, you know? Just the chop was 100 points because of the ATR. ATR is currently 42, guys. So a little tight. If it ends up being over 50 or over, I will be moving my stop to at least 100 points to give it enough wiggle room to let the trade play out. And if that's the case, then I will probably do 5 micros instead of 10. Because I don't want to risk 2,000. I'd rather risk 1,000. At least on the first trade. It might be my only trade. Like I said earlier, I do have to get off by 10:30, so we got an hour. Yeah, everything is kind of down. S&P, everybody's down. Let's see what happens. It's going right back up again. Tapped VWAP, and now it's coming right back down again. Let's see if it breaks through that pivot point and that VWAP. Let's see what happens. Because every time it taps up there, it gets pushed down. So if it rips up, the next thing is EMA 200 here. It might want to fill this imbalance. Let's see. See what it really wants to do. Give me 1 second, guys. One second. All right, I'm back. We're obviously having a massive green giant.
Green giant. Green giant.
Look at this. It is filling the imbalance on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if it rips this zone here that I marked out some time ago. Let's see if it could get out of this zone. It has been dumping all Asia, all of London. So hopefully it distributes to the upside now. 42 is the ATR currently. Let's see what happens. Got about 5 more minutes left until the 15-minute orb is set. And we'll see. That sucks. The people who took a long here, well, hopefully they got out before it came back down. And then they got stopped out. Maybe they didn't get to where they wanted. Who knows? And then this shit just ripped all the way back up again. They're probably like, fuck. Oof. ATR is 51, guys. So I'm definitely going to move this to 5 micros. And we're definitely going to have a 100-point stop loss to at least survive the trade. Or maybe not survive, but it'll give us a little better chance of the wiggle room, because ATR is 51 on my screen, so on the 5-minute time frame. So yeah, 51.18, almost 50, not almost 52, but it's more than 51. So alrighty, this is Chop Fest. I might get chopped out. Might look like a chop day. Gotta be careful. We need to get above VWAP if we're looking for a long, guys. VWAP and maybe EMA 200 too. So far, the opening range is pretty big. Oof. There you go, 157 points. Not that big. Yesterday was what, 200 and something, 240 or something? Yesterday was massive, massive. Not that crazy today. Okay, right back down. Look at that. Well, it did fill most of the imbalance. It left a little gap. It's hard to see it, man. But it got up to like right here. So there's a little gap left. Obviously, we have this big imbalance here. On the 1 hour, it obviously tapped EMA, almost EMA 200 here, rejected. First time it tapped VWAP, rejected. Tried to get above VWAP, tapped EMA 200, rejected. The support pivot and VWAP are slowing this shit down. Again, overall trend is bearish. Overall, 1 hour. This was at 1600. So each one of these candles is 1 hour of data. Overall, the trend is down, guys. This is a pullback from tapping the swing low. So we just got to get in at a good moment. All right, we got about 2 minutes until the orb is set. I'm going to start marking it out right now. And we'll adjust it if it does change, but I'm going to put that there so you can see 24,660 and the low is 24,503. Give or take. I don't put it exactly, but whatever. That's about it. Let me put it on my other screens here. We're at ATR 51. Let's see. Yeah, S&P is dumping a lot harder than the NQ right now. S&P has engulfed, this red candle is like down here for the S&P. So ES. Whoa, S&P is dumping. I'm pretty sure NQ is gonna follow that. So Lauren, shorts might be in play. Just be ready. She loves shorts. She loves shorts. They might be. I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right, so it didn't mess up the orb. The orb is set now. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We still got 5 minutes to see if it breaks out. On ES, kind of wicked out of the orb. You're already in. Oh, Lord. Straight off VWAP on the top, I guess. Okay. Oh, Lord. I mean, yeah, you could be in. A sell right there would have been, wouldn't be too bad, yeah. But it was risky. I'm just saying, this thing could chop, so take profits while you can. Love that red. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a breakout. I'm gonna wait for more confirmation. Let's see what happens. Y'all better protect your profits. All right. Oof. Oh, let me move this screen over here. I feel like it really wants to go up, but it keeps getting pushed down. I don't know, man. This shit is super choppy, dude. It looks like it's gonna flip red and go down, and then it just flips right back up again. They're battling out, the bulls, the bears. They're fighting it to the death right now, guys. If it gets to 10:30, and we're not in a trade, or I haven't taken a trade, it might be a no trade day, guys. I'm just letting you know, because I do gotta do something. I gotta leave by 10:30. Right back down again. What a crazy ass fucking. That shit is just right up, right back down, right back up, right back down. Super annoying. All right. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not going to wait for a retest. If it breaks orb to the downside, I'm taking a short. All right. Just letting you know. And I will most likely move my stop to 100 points. Instead of 50 points, I will risk 100. But I need to see a break to the bottom before I go short here. All right. So let's see. Let's see what happens. ES is going down. Indecision on the 15-minute time frame. This looks like it could be turning into a hammer soon, flipping red. I don't, but I need to see, again, I need to see it close down here. And obviously if it closes down here in a minute, this will be a hammer. And if it wants to pop right back up and chop, then we get chopped out. It is what it is, but I want to see hammer time. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Again, guys, I want to see a break to the downside, a break out of orb to the downside before I go short. ATR is at 54, so I'm only risking 5 micros. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. All right. That's a little tricky. That shit just ripped out of nowhere to the downside. That shows that it really wants to go down there. I might take this even if it doesn't break. Let's see. Yeah, this shit wants to go. This shit wants to go. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to do it right there, guys. I am short. If this wants to pop up, I am going to risk 1,000. That's about 100 points. If it wants to come all the way back up and take me out, guys, I am, you know, it is what it is. That's called chop. But I'm going to put 1,000 here. Oh, that's too much. What's 1,000? Right here? We have auto trail set. Yeah, it's whatever. We have auto trail set at 40 points. So once it jumps into 40, auto trail will kick in. Let me just, you know, fix the wrist or whatever. Whatever, guys. That's what I want to win. That's what I would lose if it comes all the way back up here, which that would be some crazy ass shit. But yeah, Look at this bullshit. Yo, come on. This shit better not go up 100 points to take me out. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, ruler. My entry is right here. Yeah, about 108 points is what I'm risking. So you guys know. Yo, that shit better not completely reverse. Yo, what is happening? Come on. If it reverses, it completely invalidates the trade, guys. If it reverses and stops me out, this is a chop. It's a complete chop. But I believe it's just the volatility is 59, 60 points. So yeah, it's gonna get it's gonna range, man. It's gonna range. I really want to. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Whatever, guys. I'm just gonna leave it and let it ride, and let's see. I think I think truly it wants to go lower. I think that was the retest. Let's hope it doesn't pop higher. But it doesn't look good if this green candle closes above EMA 50. That would be a really bad because it might want to tap the top of orb again. So that's why I did 5 micros, $1,000. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. I believe in you. Let's see. Let's see. That was a pretty big retest. Come on, dump it. Dump it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, 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 no. No, no, no.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh my God. Bro, I want to put my stop just a little above freaking VWAP, to be honest. For some sort of protection, because I'm under VWAP. So let's, yeah, I'm going to risk just a tad bit more structure-wise. If it goes above VWAP, then yeah, I definitely don't want to be in that trade. And then I'm going to move my TP to 126. So we have a good risk to reward, guys. But yeah, I just need a little more protection of the support pivot, which is a resistance pivot right now, and the VWAP. And the lower this stays down, VWAP keeps coming down. So it keeps protecting us. Because notice every time it's tapped VWAP, it's get rejected, rejected, rejected. So yeah, I just wanted a little more cover. I don't want to get wicked out and then it rips to the downside. That shit'll suck, but it happens. It happens. So I'm okay with losing 1,200. But if I lose, yeah, I'm not gonna take another trade. So let's see. Yeah, that's not a good green candle, man. Not good, not good. Not good. Let's hope. There we go. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it now. Flush it now, please. Wrong way. Wrong way. Fire. No. Come on. Come on. Dump it. There we go. This green candle on ES is the retest. Because on ES, it's down here. So the green candle just tapped the inside of orb. And then this candle right now is outside of orb on ES. There we go. Let's go, man. Flush it. It's hard to trade this shit, man, just because the volatility is at ATR is at 60, guys. 60. So to survive these damn swings, you gotta put a lot of money on the table right now. I'm only doing the eval. I'm not doing copy trading any other accounts. Just because, you know, it's just super volatile. I do believe this shit wants to turn into a hammer and go lower. The overall trend is down, guys. So I'm trying to go with the trend. It's under VWAP. You know, it's following all my rules. If it wicks me out, then, you know, it is what it is. But overall, I'm happy with this trade, win or lose. Win or lose. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's get it. Come on. Let's go down. Let's go. ES, come on. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it down. Oh my God. This thing's playing with us, guys. This shit's playing with us. This shit is playing with us. Should I put a limit order and then leave a runner? What do you guys think? This is the swing low. So when it taps this, there might be a reaction to the upside, guys. So could put, I don't know. I don't even know if it's going to go down, to be honest. At this point, man, just every time it tries to go lower, it's having a hard time. Let's go. Let's go. Almost there. Oh, almost saw green. There it is. We're seeing some green. Let's go. Let's see some green. Let's go.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. There it is. Yeah, I think I want to hit this swing right here. Let's hit a buy limit of 4.
Order submitted.
So I'll close out a partial there at the swing low and leave one runner. Okay, guys? I don't want to... Man, this thing might might dump to the bottom of, you know, hell. Who knows? Or should I let it ride, guys? You guys tell me. Take off that partial. Let it ride to the bottom. Take off that partial. Let it ride to TP. Tell me now, or is this, you know? Oh my goodness. This thing it's playing with my emotions. It's playing with us, guys. It's chopping, man. Come on, dump it. Get down there. Get down there. I know you want to go. Come on. Get down there. Hammer time, baby. Hammer time. Short term play, guys. Short term play. Let's see if it goes any freaking lower. I think it does. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Whoa, it kind of like shot down there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all, guys. Yeah, this is going to give anybody a freaking heart attack. 1 second, you're in profit $300. The next second, you're negative $400. Today is going to be a difficult day just because the ATR is at 61, guys. I don't know if my stop is good enough. I don't know if this thing is just super undecided right now. Which way it wants to go. Yeah, if it could reject this whole move that it just did to the upside, to the downside, this shit might rip way lower. Way lower. If this thing just, well, again, that was the new 1 hour candle. So yeah, we got a little pop because it was the new 1 hour candle. But if we could get some freaking push to the downside now. Let's see. Come on. Hit the, at least hit the freaking swing low. Knock me out at 4 micros, man. Give me another partial win here. There it is. Come on. There you go. There we go. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it, guys. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it down. Down the toilet. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Don't be scared. Back in profit. Negative 400. Positive 200. Negative 500. Positive 500. This shit is freaking crazy. What in the world, man? Imagine people who risk way more than me. They see it negative 100,000, positive 100,000. Those people, man, there's levels to this shit. Look at this. Come on, hammer time. Hammer time, baby. Let's go. Let me get it. Let me get that swing low. Come on.
Let him cook.
Let's go.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Come on, dump it. Dump it. Oh my God.
I got this. I got this.
No.
I got this.
That's how I feel every time it's like fa fa fa. It goes down. Look how crazy this candle's going right now, man. 1 second it was that, and then it flipped red, and then it look. This shit is fighting. They're fighting it out right now. This shit could go either way right now, man. This shit could legit go either freaking way right now. Y'all can close the profits if you entered the trade, you know. So yeah, I don't know, man. This shit is shit. If you guys are in the trade, you could close it out and just, you know, take your profits. You don't have to go through all this torture that I'm going through right now. Yeah, I'm gonna hang in there. I'm gonna hang in there and win or lose. But hopefully I get at least a swing low, man. Hit this swing low. Hey, all right, we're in profit. Let's go. It hit 40 points, guys. If this shit comes right back up and stops me at $65, I'm gonna be freaking pissed. This shit better flush. This shit better flush. Oh my God. Yeah, I think I'm shit. No, don't get me there. No. Oh my God. I played myself, guys. I moved the stop. I moved the limit order. The volatility is insane. It's gonna stop me. It's gonna, come on, hit this one. No. Fuck. No. Oh my God. I'm surviving by a hair. Come on, take it out, please. I'd rather take, oh my God, bro. Are you guys looking at this shit? It's playing with me. No. Give me something.
Order filled.
Oh, bro, we left one runner, bro. Whoa, wow, bro. That was scary. This shit is just like, oh my God. What did I get? We're currently at 750 now. Let's see. It's gonna stop me out, bro. This shit is way too volatile. This is gonna stop me at $18. What?
Stop filled.
Whoa, that was slippage. Interesting. What up? Bro, this shit was just too much, man. It's just too fucking much. I got stopped so I made a total of 295, guys. It's too crazy right now. ATR is 65 on my screen. 65 right now, man. This is too wild to play in, guys. It's just too wild, too wild. But just so you guys know how many points I got, so y'all don't talk shit. David got a total of 34 points. Let's talk about these other influencers on Instagram, on YouTube. Bro, if they got 34 points, they'd be ecstatic. Those people get 10, 20 points and are super happy. I just got 34 points, guys. Get out of here. You got cooked? Yeah, man. It was tough, dude. You gotta, I'm telling you, ATR is crazy. If you don't have that stop up here, you're gonna get cooked. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I don't know how you got cooked. If you took the setup short like me, I took the short right here on this small little breakout. It ripped up. If you took a short up here and you put your stop where I had it up here, because I have the numbers bigger now, you don't have to squint, you could see it. You still be in this trade right now. Truthfully, you still be in this trade. It's just really, really choppy. Look at this shit, man. It's chopping. It's chopping on the 1 hour. Imagine on the 5 minute. ATR is 65 freaking points. If you don't give it enough wiggle room, if you leave it at 50 points, you're gonna get cooked. That's why I put 100. I put like 120 point stop loss, just because that's why I did 5 micros. I was risking 1,000. I mean, it's just hard, man. It's hard. This shit is hard right here. It's hard for me, who I am an experienced day trader. If you're learning, this is very hard right now. This is extreme. This is level 25 boss mode, bro. Beast mode. Yeah, I easily could have got cooked, but I've learned. Look at this shit. Now I'm telling you, this shit's gonna go down to hell now. It's gonna go down, but you gotta be able to withstand these freaking movements. It's ATR is 65. It's 65 right now. Yeah, that $300 really what I made after fees and clearinghouse fees and all that shit. Commission fees. It comes out to $295. And you know what? With a day like this, I'm just gonna take that and be happy. To be honest, guys, because it's a freaking chop fest. How much did he lose, Danny? I'm sorry, dude. I don't know what you did different. I mean, the only way you could lose is if you faded me, mate. No, not even. If you would have faded me, and let's say you go long, look how many points it went up. It gave you opportunities to make money going up. It gave you opportunities to make money going down. So if you would have taken the trade here, I mean, both of us could have won. It's just a matter of having a big enough stop loss. I hope you didn't risk a lot, man, because ATR is 60 freaking 5. It's not ideal. Like, I like the ATR at 35, maybe in the 40s, 44, you know? Look at this shit. Super chop. It's chopping down. It's like slowly chopping down. Look at this shit. Look at this. On the 1 hour time frame, wick, pop up, rejection, pop up again, rejection, pop up, rejection. It's just constantly chopping, man, and it doesn't fully deliver to the downside like we want it to, but it will. It's just not gonna do it when I'm in the freaking. You faded me. That's your first mistake. You can't go. That's like going up against Jordan, Papa. What are you doing? Yo. Oh, man. That's a mistake. No, but honestly, if you would have gone long when I went short, you should have made money if you closed it if you closed it early, because it gave you multiple opportunities. If you did the same trade as me, let's say you did, instead of short, you did long, right there, money, right here, money. You just didn't close it out or didn't move your stop in profit. Look at this shit. TP still wouldn't be hit. Right now, you'd be up in the money. You know? It's just a matter of withstanding the swings. This swing right here, guys. Let me take this off. This average swing zone. Let's see, from here to here. You need to have it 100 points. That's the average swings that it's having right now. 100 points, 106 point swings. If you can't move your stop loss to at least 120 points or more, you're not gonna survive this. You're not gonna survive the chop. Just letting you guys know. I was up and didn't close on time, then it dumped. Yeah, no, the movements are very erratic, man. Very erratic. ATR 65.50 right now. Look at this shit. Right back up again. You know what? I'm not mad that I closed it early and it stopped me out. Because right now it'd be negative like $500. So, you know, you got to take what you could get sometimes from the market. It's not always beautiful conditions. These conditions are very, very difficult to trade, very volatile. There's no clear direction right now. It's completely going sideways, guys. It's acting like it wants to go lower, but it's really not going anywhere. If you look at the higher time frames on the 1 hour, it's really just going, it's going fucking sideways, man. It's going sideways. Make sure that you guys, oh my God, you made 1,000 and then it went down and lost. So you lost 1,000. Or you lost more than 1,000. Insanity, dude. Insanity, man. I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, today was, I know today is the day before. I think your eval renews. So I get you, but it's just the conditions are horrendous today. Horrendous. Very difficult to trade today. I think overall it does want to go down, but it's just going to do this chop shit. Eventually it'll freaking rip. It might rip now. I don't know. I don't know. It's very difficult to trade this shit. Let's see. I mean, if I do take another trade, it's going to be with the sim account and I'm going to mess around. So if I were to take another trade, it'll be at the close of this candle and I want to see it red. No, actually, yeah. If this closes red, I'll take a short here. But with the sim account, guys. I'm not going to take a real trade anymore. This is monopoly money. But I do think it does want to go lower. It might just chop around, though. So we'll see.
Order filled.
Yeah, sim account's about to get cooked. Let me, if I were to risk, I would do, what is it, 20K, right? That's where I had my stop before. Yeah, that's where I had it before. But I do think it wants to come down here, guys. It's just super choppy, and you got to have a freaking massive stop loss to survive the swings. Your stop loss has to be more than 100 points. If you can't do that, don't trade. But this is, at the end of the day, not financial advice, guys. Yeah, look at this shit, man. It doesn't know where to go. It doesn't have any idea which direction to go in. It doesn't know what to do. TP is set to the bottom of the swing low. So yeah, as you can see, it's about to get there now. Now it wants to decide. Oh, Lord. Look at that, bro. Every time it hits that swing low, it just rips right back up. It turns into a hammer on the 1 hour. Yeah, this came out as indecision, but I know overall the trend is bearish. That's why I took the short, but that's with absolutely zero fear of getting knocked out, as you can see. If you did take the short with me again. All right, let's go. Don't you wish this was a real trade, huh? Damn, how much you making with fake money there? Oh man. Wow, super close to that swing low and it didn't take it out. I think it will though. I told you overall the trend wants to go lower. It's just really choppy. Really choppy. Again, if we didn't get stopped in profit here, yeah, I'm sorry. There it goes. It's almost there, almost 11K. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wow. It tapped it, but it didn't tap my TP. Nah, it's going to pop up now. Or not. Or not. Or it could go lower. There you go. There you go. So close. So close. Is it going to be 4K or is it going to be 11K? Oh, come on. Come on. Right there, bro. It's right.
Target filled.
All right. And if you took that short with me, you made money. So there you go. On the sim account, guys. And then this is the eval. We did make money on that too. But yeah, overall, I told you the shorts were in play, man. It just got really choppy the moment it broke out. It started doing all this BS. So I'm sorry. It got really difficult right here. But finally, it finally hit that swing low, man. Hopefully you guys took the sim trade with me. I told you, it came out really undecided or undecided. Let's see. Yeah, it was still red. I'm trying to make it wasn't a complete doji. I mean, it's a doji. Look at this shit. Keeps ripping down now. It was red though, guys. It did close slightly red right at the bottom of orb. It didn't completely break out, but it kind of showed it wanted to go down. Another reason why I kind of took the short. Did anybody else take that short with me, or you guys are cooked? I took two shorts. One with the eval and one with the sim account, but ATR is crazy. ATR is 66 right now, guys. Yeah. Be careful here, because there could be a pop-up now, because this thing has just been super choppy. But maybe it continues to deliver now. Yep. There you go. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see all the trades, how I do it, what I'm looking for, how I set this range up. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, watching Trading with David 305 at 9 a.m. every Monday through Friday. I'm not really gonna look for any other trade. It's just really bad conditions right now. ATR is 67 on the 5-minute time frame. You're gonna have to put 100+ point stop loss. If you're not willing to do that, don't trade today. Tomorrow's another day. If you lost, I'm sorry. Just know that today was very difficult to trade. But yeah, I'm gonna take my 300 bucks and run on this eval. And it continues to dump. The overall trend is bearish. I said that from the beginning of the live stream. This was a pullback. It did show us it got rejected at VWAP. Rejected here. It broke to the downside. I took a short. It tried to go up, it couldn't. I ended up taking, yeah, I ended up taking about 34 points. 34 points, and then got stopped with 1 micro at break even. Tried to catch a run. I tried to catch this runner here, but it's just way too choppy. All right, guys. You have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. Trade safe if you do, and have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow, guys.